Hi, my name is Brian Royal. I'm a chief bridge painter here at the Golden Gate Bridge. Myself and 4 other chief bridge painters oversaw the painting of the facility here. It's a machine shop. This building is a multi-purpose use building. It's for mechanics to repair vehicles, also a iron and steel fabrication shop. We also use it as a multi-purpose room for luncheons and other activities here at the bridge.
The machine shop is a vital part of our operation every day. But the last time it was painted was 50 years ago. There was lead in these walls. During this process, we had to make sure that our employees followed strict lead guidelines. They had to make sure they wore their personal protective equipment, being Tyvek suits, respirators, air-fed respirators, and they made sure that they showered at the end of the day. We have a decontamination facility here. They shower before they can take it home to their family. It only takes a little bit to affect a child.
We have 41 employees in the paint department. Almost the entire crew was out here during the project. We ran into many challenges along the way. We had really tight, confined quarters to have to paint in, which made it difficult with the lifts going up and down. You had to be careful. The power was turned off for safety reason because we were basically spraying the walls and the ceilings with water, and to degrease it, the electrical boxes were, even though they were protected, could get wet. So as a safety measure, we had almost everything turned off. With that, the building was quite dark to work with. A lot of guys would have to use their lights on their helmets or flashlights when they were in tight spots so they could see what they were doing.
When we first came into the shop, the first thing we did was we sealed the entire machine shop. From there, we went into old school hand scraping method. We used 5-inch scrapers, 3-inch scrapers. We scraped all loose chips. We recovered them all. We vacuumed everything back up. From there, we went into a cleaning, degreasing process. We literally scrubbed every square inch of the shop with 3M SOS pads. From there, we did a thorough wash. We recovered all the water. From that, it prepared us for the painting process.
Anytime you put fresh paint on something, it makes it look brand new again. The masking, the washing, the prepping all takes time. Once it's time to start priming painting, that goes pretty quick. You have 6, 8 guys in here spraying at one time. Basically, we were able to spray this whole shop in one day with a coat of primer, and the next day we shot it with the top coat. And right now we have a little bit of touch up, here and there, brush and roll work. But basically, yeah, it was a 2-day process once it finally got to that point. And that's the easy part of the job. It went well. There was a lot involved here, a lot of manpower in here, a lot of different ideas. And for it to go as smooth as it did, it was pretty rewarding, actually. And now, as you can see, the finished product, any employee that works in here on a daily basis has a nice new shop to come to. And for them holiday luncheons, we got even a prettier place to work in now.